Common question you get often asked is how and when do you get paid by Amazon? So if you are selling in Australia or USA or UK, it kind of is the same deal, right? You get paid pretty much every fortnight. So they have your bank account details, and every fortnight they get paid. They obviously take their fees out, so they charge you Amazon FBA fees. So if you're storing a product, they charge, maybe if you're selling a product for $50, and the fee might be $5-6, right, which includes shipping and picking and packing and all that. They will obviously take their fees out first, but then they'll send you the rest every fortnight, essentially every 2 weeks, into your bank account. All right, so that's how it works with Amazon, and they're pretty reliable. It's not as though they're going to withhold payment from you. It's a pretty big company, pretty reliable, and it is kind of like clockwork. All right, so you can always log in. I've got the app on my phone. I think it's good to have the app if you're an Amazon seller. Like, you can manage I manage all my products on one central app on my phone, right? The Amazon app, and it's something that I love. Every morning I wake up and I check my app to see how many sales I've made. It's not always a good idea to. Sometimes also there's a lot of pending orders too, but it's a good idea to have that app if you're an Amazon seller. But it's not a good idea to just sign up to Amazon just solely to have the app, though. You've got to actually have products on its way, to the Amazon warehouse, and just sign up for an account just to have the app, right? You actually do need an account to have the app as well, all right? So I sell in USA, I sell in Australia, and it's something, if you're looking to build a business, build a brand, I invite you to also do the same as well, all right? Have a great day. I just want to let you guys know that, that's how often Amazon pays. Okay, so all right, talk to you real soon. Bye for now. See you later.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.